What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something real simple but powerful. These are the only 4 stocks I'm personally watching next week that have legit 5x potential. This isn't your typical watch list where I throw out 20 random tickers. This is me showing you exactly what I'm watching, what I'm looking for on the charts, and where I'll be taking entries. And we're gonna take our time with this breakdown. I'm gonna pull up each chart, draw it out step by step so you can see exactly what I'm seeing. And by the end of this video, you'll know why these 4 stocks could change the game for your account. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get straight to it. This is for my small account traders who love penny stocks that can absolutely explode. This one is Abro Holdings. I probably said that wrong. Ticker symbol ABP. Sitting at just 20 cents right now. I want you to look at this chart with me. I'm on the daily time frame and I'm drawing out this wedge pattern. See how it's been tightened up for the past few weeks, almost months. Lower highs, but also holding this 18-cent zone super well. This is classic small cap compression right here. These are my favorite type of trades because you risk very little, but the upside can be absolutely wild. Breakout zone for me is 22 cents, over 22 plus on volume, and this could get moving very fast. I'd personally be targeting 28 cents to 32, and if we really get volume, we could see 40 cents plus in a short squeeze type of move, of course. Risk on this is simple. I'm cutting it below 18 cents. I'm not babysitting if it breaks down, but think about this. You're risking around 10% to possibly make 40, 60, even 100% on a quick move. These are the type of trades that can flip a small account when you time them right and stay disciplined. Next, we have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Right now, this is one of my favorite setups on the large cap side, and I want you to watch this with me as I draw it out on the daily chart. So what we got here is a real clean symmetrical triangle forming after a nasty downtrend. See this? Massive drop in the first half of the year, but then what happened? Buyers stepped back in, we started getting higher lows, but sellers also stepped in with lower highs. And now we're tightening. Let me map out the trend lines for you right here. There's your downtrend resistance, and there's your support holding up around $300. Now, why is this interesting? Because when you see a big name like Tesla tightening like this after a long downtrend, it usually sets up for a major move, and the range here is huge. Above 335 plus, that's the breakout zone I'm currently watching. You break and hold above that level with strong volume, we can see a quick push towards 360, even 380. But I also want you guys to be careful on the downside. If it cracks down below 300, we have to be cautious because there's room down to 270. This isn't a trade where you rush in, you wait for the breakout, you wait for the volume, and let Tesla do the heavy lifting. Once it breaks out, this could be a clean runner with size. If you're not in the Discord and you want to play this, make sure you get long-term option calls. The next stock on my watch list is ticker symbol JD, and this is for my swing traders who love bigger picture plays. Let me switch this chart over to the monthly time frame. All right, now watch this as I draw it out. You got a massive downtrend for over 2 years. JD has been making higher lows and compressing into this wedge right here. See this downtrend line squeezing it, but every sell-off gets bought up very quick. That's a bullish sign if you ask me. What gets me excited here is we're starting to reclaim that 33 to 35 range, which was major resistance on the monthly chart. If we clear 35 and hold, the next major levels are 42, then 50 plus. There's also open space at 65. I want you to see the volume here as well. We got volume drying up into consolidation, which if you guys don't know, usually means a big move is brewing. This is one of those plays where if you're patient, you can catch a multi-month move. I'll be building a starter position around these levels, scaling heavier around the $37, and my targets once again 45 to 50 minimum. The risk here is manageable too, because if it loses $30 on high volume, you're out with a controlled loss, but the upside is 3x, even 5x from these levels. All right, last but not least, we have Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. And this is one of my favorite setups right now for steady high probability gains. Let me break this down for you guys while I draw it out here on on the weekly chart. Now, first off, you can see we had a solid reversal after that big drop from earlier in the year. We put in a strong base down around this 150 level, and since then, it's been nothing but clean higher highs and higher lows. What I really like is how we're respecting this ascending channel. Let me map that out for you guys real quick. Price bouncing off both sides, staying super controlled and structured. Right now, we're sitting around 185, testing the top of this channel once again. And what's key here is the volume confirmation. See, these last few weeks, we've been pushing higher on stronger volume while the pullbacks are on low volume, which is exactly what you want to see in a bullish trend. For me, the main level to watch is the psychological 190 mark. If we break and hold above that, especially on strong volume, this thing could quickly push back to 200 to 210 plus. If you guys don't know, we've been playing this in the Discord for the past week or so, and we're already up 100% profit. So once again, when I'm throwing out these plays, I'm actually playing them in the Discord, and we're already in these doubling our account. This is one of those setups that doesn't move as wild as small caps, but if you're looking to build steady growth and catch a trendy name, Google looks really solid. You don't have to overcomplicate this. You got a clean channel, strong volume, and a clear breakout trigger. Overall, simple setup, clean structure, and room to keep climbing. Definitely one I'll be watching closely next week. So for a quick recap, we got Tesla for the big tightening breakout, JD for the long-term swing play, you have Google and ABP for the small cap momentum squeeze. These are the only 4 stocks I'm personally watching this week, and if the setups trigger, I'll be scaling in heavy. Remember, it's not about trading 20 random tickers, it's about focusing on quality, clean setups, and executing when it's your time. If you want more detailed breakdowns like this, live callouts, and daily watch list, make sure you tap into the Discord. We go over these setups in a way more detail with live updates. Link is in the description. Come lock in with us and let's win together. Appreciate you guys for watching. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next video.